It's your boy, John Rendez, with the OG original guy. Subukan natin itong aking bagong luto. Sana po magustuhan niyo.
Sige nga, subukan natin.
Sige na.
Alam ko masarap yan.
Masarap talaga. Here.
Wow! Ano tawag mo dito?
This is called Jack Daniel's Whiskey Ribs.
Jack Daniels.
Smell it. Smell. Smell. Smell it?
Kabango,
Bango, sir. Iba yung aroma.
Okay, we're gonna give you a piece po, ha? Sana, para kang ibon kumain.
Pero ako na tinigot.
Ay, nabot.
Ayan ang ano. Grabe.
Right.
Ang ganda.
Teka. Kung natin ang makeup na spoil, okay? False. Dapat po. Tulungan yan.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Naku po, sandali sir. Ano ba to?
Teka.
Naglubat.
Hindi, tuloy mo lang.
Sir, naglubat eh. Ayun.
Okay.
Okay. Ay, kasarap.
John Rendez does it again. Number one sa puso mo.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Masarap pala nilalagyan ng ano, no? Ng whiskey.
Opo. Jack Daniels.
Jack Daniels.
Tingnan niyo naman yung aking baby. Pinagkarapan ko yan.
Baby
gun.
back ribs.
Baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs.
John Rendez style, okay? Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome po. Basta ikaw. It's your
Sarap.
boy, John Rendez, who loves you, baby. I do, John Rendez. Number one sa puso mo, Eddie. Wow.
Sarap. Thank you, Pupoy.
Opo.